Jeg tok på kamera også, ja, så ble du...
Det er typisk det da.
For jeg tenkte at du synes det er så hyggelig at vi har med det.
Jeg er veldig glad i kamera.
Det er bra.
Du får lov å kjøre, bare jeg kan kjøre bort og bytte og henge her. Så kan du kjøre derfra.
Skal jeg kjøre hele tiden, holdt jeg på å si? Skal du filme også, da?
Jeg må gjøre det da. Det gjorde jeg sist gang jeg kjørte.
Ja, det blir bra.
I never stay in one place too long. A dirt road singing me a siren song. I gotta find a field. I need to spin my wheels. I got a hankering for 4 wide tires, and I can't help it. It's the way I'm wired. Boy, you get too close. Boy, you need to know. I got a heart like a truck. It's been drugged through the mud, runs on dreams and gasoline, and that old highway holds a key. It's got a left foot down when it's leaving. Lord knows it's taking a hell of a beating. A little bit of love is all that it's needing, but as good as it is tough, I got a heart like a truck. There ain't no breaking when I throw it in drive. Don't always keep it in between the lines. If you're ready for a ride, pedal down, state of mind. Boy, I tell you what, you better buckle up. I got a heart like a truck. It's been drugged through the mud, runs on dreams and gasoline, and that old highway holds a key. It's got a left foot down when it's leaving. Lord knows it's taking a hell of a beating. A little bit of love is all that it's needing, but as good as it is tough, I got a heart like a truck. Go on and see if you can knock off the dust, yeah. Shine it up, rev it up, and let it run, yeah. It gets a high riding off into the sun, yeah. I got a heart like a truck. It's been drugged through the mud, runs on dreams and gas.